Hiya, I'm Linda, and I'm massively late to the party on this, but I'm going to do an unboxing of the emergency food parcel that the government have kindly sent to people who are shielding. You have to excuse me because I am having a bad day today. The reason that I'm on the shielding list is because I have asthma. I live in Manchester, and for the last 3 years my asthma hasn't really been managed as well as it used to be. I've been seeing the Northwest Lung Clinic, who've been absolutely amazing. So I think that's one of the reasons why I got the letter. I have got the letter here. The letter telling us 2 pages from the government saying this, that and the other. This is only the second box that I've had. We have sort of been managing, but I lost my job end of February, just before obviously we went into lockdown. I was very aware that COVID-19 was becoming a problem then, but when we went into lockdown, my husband lost his job, so gradually we've sort of gone down a financial cul-de-sac, and the shopping's been bought on credit cards, haven't had a regular paycheck, universal credit. Well, last time I was on benefits was when I just finished my university degree, and I swear I got more money then, and that was 20 years ago, because it's not covering hardly anything. So this is my second box. It's Tuesday the 2nd of June. Allegedly, the shielding community were now allowed to go out for a walk. However, this letter is dated the 2nd of April, and it does say avoid face-to-face contact for 3 months at the minimum. I'm inclined to try and stick to that as best I can. I do have a few things that I need to do, but generally I'm not leaving my flat. So without further ado, here is the box. I'll show you the box. This is the box. Not very exciting, but it has been a bit of a godsend because it's more of a financial issue. I haven't been able to get anything delivered, but I'm sort of treating it as as if I was going to a food bank, because honestly I feel like I would have gone to a food bank in a different circumstance, and this is just tiding me over. So this is what you get. It looks very similar to the one I received last week. You get some brand X toilet roll, quality stuff. If you like Goldfinger, who doesn't love Goldfinger? Oh, branded this week, we got Lloyd Grossman is in the house. So pasta sauce, some pasta, which would be great. It's the same cereal that I got last week, which I haven't tried yet. Brown bread this week. which is appreciated because it was white bread last week and it wasn't. I'm not keen. Instructions as to things that they want you to cancel this box as soon as possible. I've only had one, and I've already had a phone call saying that I should cancel it as soon as possible. And I did say to the woman, well, it is more of a financial cul-de-sac that I'm down, hence why I've ordered it. But I think the government are very keen to get everybody off this, back to work, back to Britain. So there we go. Some long life milk, 2 off. Bag of oranges. I'll probably squeeze them out. Some juice. Bag of coffee granules. Yeah, 4 of these. We're not saving plastic in this world. You know, we're forgetting that soundbite. And some soap. So 4 of them and some soap with my Brand X toilet roll. Bag of rice. Digestive biscuits. Thai food. Tea. So any of this I don't use. Once they're out of this craziness, I can pack this up and take it down to the Methodist Church where I think they do the food bank there. So 5 apples, more plastic, bag of potatoes, and then the rest of this is tins. Baked beans and sausages times 2. Chopped tomatoes times 2. Peas, back to tomato soup, yeah. More tomato soup. I had a lot of soup last week. It was great. More peas, chicken meatballs in saucy by the Fray of Bentos. Some peach slices. So that's your fruit. Peaches, apples and oranges. You don't get any sweeties. The last tin is some tuna chunks, and that's it. Which I do really appreciate it. It's going to really help tide me over with everything. So yeah, not complaining. I'd love to see Jamie Oliver though managed for 7 days on all this, you know, because he crawled out of the woodwork rather quickly when we went into lockdown, didn't he? I'm suspicious of that guy. So there we are. That's my little haul. I'm not going to do any complaining. I have my opinions about everything that's going on, as I'm sure everybody does, but I'm just going to get on with things the best I can, because I think that's the only way that I can carry on. Everybody is stressed, but you know, one of the reasons that I've ended up losing my job was because of illnesses and issues with my asthma and employers not understanding. So you know. So I'm just going to carry on and just control my little part of the world, not get in anybody's way. Wash your hands. Yeah, try not to get down by everything, and I'll give you a little overview of the sweet goodies. Here is everything that you get for a week in survival mode. Emergency survival mode. Taters, fruity, posterior, and get clean and dump. Great days. One of my tins is bashed. Casualty. Yeah, so I'm Lady and the Frogs, and this is the Frogs. So this is Siobhan. This is Sean. He's ready for Pride Month. Then this is our newest edition. He's quite a young boy, I believe. Yeah, this is Sigmund Frog. And then this is the OG, Stephen. And this, look at the camera fool. This is Simon, the cutie. So I'm gonna try and make a habit of coming on here and doing the craziness, because everybody else is on YouTube being crazy, so definitely a place for me here. So follow, give it a thumbs up, and we'll try and live the dream. Yeah. Thanks for watching.